It's Bubba coming at you. Well, we down. I didn't make it to the C10 Nationals today. I took off day to go over there and didn't make it. The truck actually went down about a day and a half ago, and been kind of creeping along back and forth to work. And I drive this thing just to work at home, and I don't have the opportunity to really just jump in another one when one goes down. So when we're down, we're down. I don't work on weekends. I work on it during the week. So I'll do brakes on it, whatever. I just take off and do it, you know what I mean? That's what we got to do. Anyway, old battery's about a 7-year-old battery. We're going to be changing the alternator, battery, and belt today before it rains. If it rains, we'll try again tomorrow. And maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I may wait till Monday. Weekends are mine. Come on. So let's change this battery right fast. I'm gonna put the supercharger battery on it. It's if it'll fit, I think it will. It's like a 900 cold cranking amp battery. But anyway, let's get that done and go from there and get this thing fixed up and get it going. This old battery got some age on it, you know. I think I got the, I think it retins. Yeah. So I got the good tools back here at home. Huh? I wouldn't dare take the good tools up there where I'm at. Number one, well, let's just leave it at that. We just do what we can. I got my tackle box up there. Got a few tools in it, you know. It ain't got all of them I need. So I keep my good stuff here at home. Just move that over here out of the way. Let's grab this here. It's about 7 years old, I guess. And that alternator, it'll show a good charge there for a minute, and all of a sudden it'll kind of blank out on me. I'm gonna see if it's working better after I get this off of here. Check this out, you know. We'll get that out in a minute. Take that ground wire off first because they got these positive right up against the frame here of the body. If you don't, you end up welding something. Get it back out of the way. I think this fits it down. Now let me see. I was gonna PM the truck here a while back. I didn't get to it yet. I've been working on a 300,000 mile component replacement and PM on it, but I really hadn't had time. I need to take off 2 or 3 days and get it done, I guess. Oh, come on now. It's not going better than that. Let's get this scamp out of here and see if this other one fits. I'm going to match it up down here and see if it does. The positive and negative, everything's on the right side. We're gonna see. I think it'll fit though. I'll just get another one for the supercharger. Kind of dusty down in there. See what we got here. If it'll fit, we're gonna go. We'll roll with it. I think it should fit in there. I think she's gonna fit in there. Make sure. Oh yeah. We're gonna make it work. Come on now. Set it up in there. Let's go with it. I think I see that hole down there. Maybe. We'll get the battery changed and go up there and see if they even got a alternator for it. I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm just gonna start it to get that positive in there. Let me go get something to clean those ends up a little bit, and we'll go from there. Alright, I got something here. I'm just gonna trim these down a little bit, polish them. These battery post cleaners, the best one to use is the PVC pipe cleaner from Lowe's. I took it up there to the other box though. I need to bring it back home, take this up there. These here ain't worth it. Ain't really all that good. They'll get you by, you know. They're not the best. That PVC pipe cleaner up there, it really cleans them up good. Try it, look at it, check it out. It's got 2 brushes on it and 2 little cleaning holes on it. Clean your PVC pipe with. These here, I'm gonna take this up there, bring that good and back home. Yeah, they're pretty much just junk, you know what I mean? That pipe cleaner does a good job. Hang on now. I'm going nowhere. Take that off. We got a lock there, didn't we? Well, I say, don't hook your ground up, right? Look what I did. It happens to us. There we go. Sometimes we forget. A lot of traffic today. A little bit. We'll go up there and see if they got an alternator for it. Be careful over here. We're good. Set that right there. Move this over here. I don't know why they did that. Put that positive real close to the side there. Kind of crazy, ain't it? I don't like it, but down there, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. All right, this over here. Oh, that right there, we might change that. I'm gonna have to go get a little 5/16. This battery may be a little heavier than the other one. Maybe, yeah, a little bit different. We're gonna make it work though. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna slide it over as far as I can. So let's see. I probably got that tight down there. That man weed eating over there. He been working that yard all day. That's still loose. Let's see if we can slide over right there. It will be fine. I mean, what could happen? Catch on fire or something? Alright, let's see if this thing will crank. Key must be in it. Maybe it will. Alright. You know what? Gonna be safer to go down here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it showing me charging right at the 14. But after it runs a little bit, they go back down. They should stay up a little bit. We'll let it run a little bit and see if that battery just shorted, causing it to do that. The alternator may be still good. We're gonna check and see. All this racket out here, bunch of it. Let's turn our lights on and what all, see what it do.
The guy's transforming his picture. Easy Thomas Edison from done. But I don't know what happened yesterday. I don't know if he was given some bad advice, if he made this decision himself, but he's stepping aside his studio.
Maybe she's trying, I don't know, but right now we're about 13 volts. That's what the fans on high, AC on, the both fans running, the lights. We're right on the edge of that, you know. We load it. I can hear the alternator come on and off. Load it. Hear it squeal a little bit there. They may be working. We'll cut everything off and see where it goes. It should be on the edge there. About 13 volts.
I can't see how this woman, who clearly is in love with this whole woke DEI stuff, is going to take Twitter in a positive free speech direction. I have no idea how that's going to happen. I'll play some sound for you coming up next.
Yeah, nothing changed, so we still right there at 13. While I go, it's 14. I'm gonna see if it jumps like it did the other day in there. The a voltmeter in there would show a load on it, come back up. I'm gonna see if it does that again. Yeah, we're at 13. I can't reach that. I think it's still drive-by wire. I can't reach that. I mean, drive-by cable. I can reach that throttle. We may go ahead and just change it anyway, you know. That alternator probably it's probably original. You don't have no other tags on it. So, you got right at 300,000 miles on it. It's probably time to go ahead and change it. We'll get one and get it on there. We'll go check it out. See if anybody got one. Let's go look. I called around looking for an alternator for it. They got some reman cheap ones, you know. They last about a year, I guess. All the reman stuff today is junk. And the new one be like a week or so, and I'll take off another day and get the alternator and new belt on it. I think it'll be okay till then. The thing's 1,000 cranking amp, it's not 900. But anyway, got that done. It cranks. We'll see how she acts in this couple of days, and if so, we'll have to find another one somewhere else or whatever, because they ain't cheap. You know, a good one costs a little bit, you know, but hey, it's your go to work, come home vehicle. That's the only place it goes. And then the doctor once a month. Other than that, I don't really take it nowhere. So thanks for watching, and we'll work on it some more later on. One thing I got to do to it one day is pull it out. Either need to build one for it or fix this one. But the barbell back there leaking pretty good now. I was leaking about a quart of oil every oil change. Leaking pretty good now. I need to do something with it quick, making a mess. But 300,000 miles, what do you expect? So here we go. Let's get some parts and get this going. And thanks for watching. See y'all next week.